Today, we will try to understand smart art. Now, this is very, very useful. You will use it like 20 to 30% of your time when you're using Excel to present to someone else. Yeah. Whether you want to configure a dashboard in Excel, whether you want to make a presentation in Excel which has to be shown to your managers, or you want to convey some meaning down the line to your colleagues, what needs to be done on processes. Uh, you want to show hierarchy of your team to your managers. You can use smart art. So what we are trying to do today is to learn how we can use the smart art available in Excel. Now, where do we look out for SmartArt? SmartArt is available on the ribbon in the Insert tab in the Illustrations group. Yeah. So this is the Illustrations group. Under this, we have the option for SmartArt. So this is the SmartArt option that we have. SmartArt option. As soon as I click on it, there is a window that will open up. Now this window has various options available. Yeah, all is it will show all the options that are available uh, in the various sections that are available below all. Yeah, it has list, it has process. So if I have to prepare any flow chart, I use this normally to showcase it to the management or my managers. Cycle, it shows how your processes work or if there is a flow of thoughts that you want to convey. Hierarchy, I mostly use this to show my organogram or my team team in my under me, or if I have to show a sales hierarchy during my presentation, I do that. This is relationship which could be used for presentation. Same for matrix. Pyramid is again used for the flow of thoughts that I can have. I can have a picture as well embedded within Excel and within the SmartArt. Or I can go to office.com and search for various shapes. Now, what we can do is let me create a hierarchy. Yeah. Let's create a hierarchy and play around with it. So suppose I go to hierarchy and click on the normal hierarchy that I organization chart. I'll say okay. Now this is how it looks like. So it shows me the hierarchy map, and on the left hand side it will show me what are the things that I need to do. So suppose my hierarchy of my organization comes in such a way that I have a CEO. Yes. So that's the level of hierarchy that I have. Then I have, suppose I at below CEO, I have one TA which is reporting to CEO. So I'll just first remove this, whatever options are available as of now. Yeah. Under CEO, if I want someone, so I'll just right click on it. Yeah. Or I can just enter, press enter. You will find there is a new option which has come parallel. Now, I want this option to demote. That means I want it to come under CEO. So I'll say demote. You can see there is a line automatically which aligned with CEO. So I'll say sales head. So there is a new hierarchy that has come in. Under sales head, there is a new thing that has come on. So I'll say marketing head. So there are two people reporting to CEO, that is sales head and marketing head. Correct me. So excuse me for my spelling. Now under sales head, I have various regional heads. Yeah. So I'll go back to my sales head, click enter. Yeah. And I'll say demote or promote. If I have to go up, I'll promote it. If I have to go down, I'll say demote it. I'll say demote, and you'll find it has gone on the right hand side. So it shows that it is reporting to sales head. So I'll say East region head. Same way I will have West region head. Then I'll have South region head. And I'll have North region head. Then I'll have the central region. So I have in this hierarchy 5 regional heads reporting to my CEO. Okay, not CEO, but the sales head. For marketing head, suppose I have uh, uh, what I can say, a digital head and a PR head. Suppose digital head, there is a guy reporting to him. So I'll just enter and I'll press tab. It will, you can use the keyboard as well. You do not need to right click and go to demote. If I have to go back on the same level, I press backspace. Yeah. If I have to demote this position and get it under digital head, I have to press tab. So I'll get PR head. Yeah. So there is a hierarchy that has been created. You will find hierarchy that I have created, which is at various level. So under East, I can have one more. I can just go back to West and I can add more people. I'll say West, I'll say ASM 1. There could be various managers as well. ASM 2. And I could have an executive under them. I'll say tab executive 1. Executive 2. Yeah. So I have an hierarchy of people reporting to various people in this organization. Now I can play. How do I play? As soon as I put this word art, you will find a option that has come up on your screen, which is design and format. Design is to play around with this SmartArt. Format is the same option that we saw for shapes and word art, where you can change the various word arts or the text within those boxes. I can change the shapes and also the text within the boxes. So let me first, you know this option, you can refer to my SmartArt and word art videos. Let me go to the design part. In the design part, you can have various options. So I can have shape before or shape after. So if I add shape after, you'll find there is a shape which is getting added, yeah, at this upper level. So I'll just remove that shape once again. So wherever you want to add a shape, it will provide it. Add a text pane. If you want the text pane which is available right now has to be shown. So I'll just click on text pane and it will be available for you to use it. I can click on any of the hierarchy and promote it or demote it as in how I require it. If I want executive 2 to move up, so I'll just move it up. You can see executive 2 has gone up and executive 1 has come up. I want the ASM to go up. Yeah. You can see ASM has gone up and ASM2 has gone up and ASM1 has come down. Same way I can move up ASM. Yeah. I can move down as well. Yeah. So you can play around. I can have the ASM move right or left, how I want in the shape. Yeah. I can have a standard layout. I can have both layout. I can have a left hanging. So I can have my layouts being changed from the layouts section. You can see here. I am changing the various options that are available. I can change the colors of my design as well. So I can have this color. You can see how the colors are changing. Let me just move it a little bit on the left hand side so that you can see the colors changing. So you can see the colors that are changing on my organogram. I can have various colors as in how I like it as per the themes, or I can have a recolor pictures in my organogram. Yeah, so I can change colors as in how I like it. So there are various available smart styles here. So there are various styles you can use as well. And lastly, you can convert to shapes. Can see this? I can create a PDF out of it. I can select the shapes. Whatever I can do, I can work around with it. Yeah. So these are the various options available in design which you can play around to make your smart art look beautiful. So I'll keep it like this. So this is the smart art for my hierarchy. I can add pictures. So suppose I want to add a smart art with pictures. So I go to insert, I go to smart art, pictures. I'll go to, hmm, what do I add? Oh, smart art. I go to picture. I'll add a shape like this. I'll say okay. Yeah. And suppose I want to add pictures here. So I'll go to my Bing. I'll say smileys. I'll add this picture that I'm available, and you'll find the picture getting plotted inside the boxes that you have. I can have another picture here. I just double click on it. I'll have the smileys again. This time I'll choose a different smiley. I'll say this one. Say insert. You find a different smiley. So you can add a picture as well for your presentations which you want to. Yeah, I usually have when I'm creating my uh, organograms, I uh, I add pictures of my team onto the slide so that people get a feeling of who those are. So there are names, but there are face behind those names. So I introduce those faces as well through this organogram. So just putting names is not enough. I need to see the person who is. So I put in an organogram along with the name, also add pictures of my team. So that's how I play around with SmartArt. You can do it as well. There are various options available. As I said, you can have various available options that are used, list, process. If you are a process guy, you can have a process entirely built, and there are a lot of options that are available which you can use. Hope you understood how we can use SmartArt in Excel, and you can use it from now on. Hope you like this video. Do like it, share it across with your colleagues who want to learn Excel. Do comment if you have any thoughts or any of the topics that you want me to cover in this 365 days of Excel. And yes, do not forget to subscribe to my channel because that's how you're going to get all my videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.